ప్రధాని మోదీ పాలనలో విదేశాంగ విధానం అట్టర్ ఫ్లాప్ అయిందన్నారు కాంగ్రెస్ నేత కేసీ వేణుగోపాల్. పాక్తో సీజ్ఫైర్ ఒప్పందంపై మోదీ సర్కార్ అబద్ధాలు చెబుతోందన్నారు. పాలనా వైఫల్యాలను కప్పిపుచ్చుకోవడానికే విదేశాంగ శాఖతో మోదీ బలవంతంగా తప్పుడు ప్రకటనలు చేస్తున్నాడని విమర్శించారు. భారత్ పాక్ యుద్ధాన్ని ఆపానంటూ ఇప్పటికే ట్రంప్ 13 సార్లు చెప్పారన్నారు. ఇప్పటికైనా ప్రధాని మోదీ నిజం చెప్పాలన్నారు. వెంటనే పార్లమెంటు ప్రత్యేక సమావేశాలు ఏర్పాటు చేయాలన్నారు కేసీ వేణుగోపాల్.
I am also very sad looking the situation which our foreign secretary is facing. 13 times President of America reacted on this issue. 13 times. He continuously is sticking on the same issue that I settled the issue between India and Pakistan. Not only that, he is telling I used trade. Whenever 13 times American president is speaking, India is asking from our prime minister at least one time, you need to react to this. He's totally silent. Prime minister is totally silent. Then he is entrusting foreign secretary to react. Why this run? Why he is running away from all these things? Country need an answer. We asked for a parliament session, which they are not doing at all. Actually, India is a non-serious country. American president is making like this. Every day he is issuing that type of statements. So it is our duty. We are countrymen. It's our duty. Our country's dignity is going to be attacked by any other country leader. We need to react on this. Our prime minister has to clarify it. We are asking only a clarification from the prime minister. But he is not responding. Foreign minister is not responding. Foreign secretary is responding. Immediately after the foreign secretary's claim, Trump again told that this is me. That basically, I think we are all nationalists. India stand with our armed forces. India stand with the government during that crisis. But this type of atmosphere, this type of attitude by the government of India and the Prime Minister will not give happiness to the people who are love in